Assalamualaikum guys, how are you? This is Farooq Khan from UTS support. After a long time I just come back to make one video. This video will be really helpful, and this apps is very good, and this apps there is something you will learn new. So guys, you will install these apps, and let's go to Play Store. So dear viewers, these apps only iPhone or iOS device, any iOS device. So let's go to Play Store. So guys, we have to go App Store. Then here you can see this is the apps, and these apps here a name is Clonr, and I will provide the link of these apps, so just you can on description. So we'll just click to get. Yeah, our apps is already installed, so just we will click to open. So just here okay, then allow. Then just put got it. Then here hold to select your number, choose clone. So here you just click here to so you will see the interface just like this. Then you click press long time, then you can see if you want to 2, 3, 4. So I will choose like 2. Okay, so I will make 2 picture. Then first just click here, example I want like this. Then you decide another. I put here 15 seconds, that's why. So here you can see you can edit something, you can make which one, if you want to make front, back. Okay, so then after you click done, then here you can click done. Then if you want share with Facebook and Twitter, you can do, and I will show you just just click OK. Success. So this picture already in the gallery. So these apps today I'll show you only. So here you can select your time, if you want to make like 5 seconds, 10 seconds, how many seconds you will put, it will take picture. Okay, so this is very good apps. Thank you so much for watching my video, and if you like my video, please subscribe my channel and share to your friend. So I will upload more videos. Have a great day.